Okay, here is the Access database. As you can see it, I'm going to just say new, and in this video I'm actually going to show you how to import the data from the Excel into the Access. So let's go and create a new blank database, and once I click a blank database, I can go to the external data, and from the I want to import Excel spreadsheet. Let me show you the Excel spreadsheet that I want to import. This is the Excel spreadsheet that I want to import. Okay, these are the first names are actually the field name of the Excel, and I want this thing to become the field name into the Access table. Okay, so let's actually try to import that thing. It is asking you where it is, so I am going to go to directly to that place where I know where it is, and I'm going to select this thing, and I'm going to say select the first one, import the source of tables in new table into the current database. Okay, and then we have this thing, getting generated everything. It has divided the columns and it has generated automatically whatever they want to do it. Okay, and it is very good at actually figuring out what the data is. I'm going to say next. I'm not going to change anything here. Next. The first row is the column name. Yes, agreed. And then if you, next is going to be this thing. This is generated. You know what it is. Maybe I can say all is long integer, but maybe it is a date. And index no. Next. Add a primary key. I will actually like to add a primary key. Suppose if I needed it by default, so I will say okay, primary key add. If I said no primary key, then it will not add a primary key, but in this case I will keep it to add a primary key. Okay, it can actually allow you to choose any other primary key from this thing. As you can see, all the other fields that is there. Okay, here it is. Let add new primary key I need. Okay, if I say no primary key, means then there is no primary key, none. Choose my own primary key. Okay, here it is generated. I can choose my own primary key. Let's choose the primary key. Again it is, you can check out here, and I'm going to select next. Maybe the table name I'm going to be say okay, table demo, table import. Okay, and I'm going to select finish. If I want, I can say select these things, import steps. In this case I'm not going to say it. If I say okay, let's say it, click it, and it will ask me, and I can say the save import as, and it is there. Now table imports. As you can see, the table is there. Suppose okay, here are all the fields that has been there. You can see these are the field, and now I will go and close this thing. As you can see, the data is actually correct in the main. Now suppose if I did not want this field to be coming here, so how do I do it? I just go, do you want to save it? Yes, save it, design view, and if I wanted, I could have gone here and made the changes to the depending upon what I wanted to do, and I could have okay, generated, delete the row. Yes, and we have got it deleted, and I could have still save it, and I can close it. Okay, you can make any other changes whatever you want to the table here. May change the data type, change the description, and you can put the description here and change whatever you want here. That is a completely different topic. Okay, here it is, and now you can see I have got the data imported into the Access from the Excel.